look at this study from the Journal of Inflammation Research. They're exploring whether hydrogen gas can help treat osteoarthritis by focusing on how it affects cartilage cell death and the protective layer breakdown using a pathway called JNK. Osteoarthritis is all about joint damage, persistent pain, and limited mobility. Current treatments usually focus on managing symptoms with NSAIDs, which can have side effects. But here is the exciting part. Hydrogen gas therapy improved osteoarthritis symptoms like reduced joint space, cartilage damage, and loss of protective substances. This suggests hydrogen can be a promising treatment for osteoarthritis by regulating the JNK pathway. The key is hydrogen helps reduce harmful processes and factors, ultimately helping with osteoarthritis. So, in a nutshell, this research shows that hydrogen gas might be a hopeful treatment for osteoarthritis. It prevents cell death and safeguards the cartilage through this specific pathway. If this was helpful, make sure you check out the full-length video where I explain this in more detail. And if you want simple content on molecular hydrogen therapy, make sure you subscribe to H2 Minutes.